Chiro cracks. Chiropractics for everyone.
Lower back pain.
Morning, night?
Towards the evening.
Okay.
Like soreness in the morning. Horseback riding is like one of my biggest hobbies.
It can also be very therapeutic for your spine. Anything else? Do you have any neck pain?
Not so much.
Do you ever have any headaches?
Not so much.
Ankles, knees?
No.
How's your digestion?
Pretty good.
Have you ever had any injuries?
Yes. I broke my leg once.
Was there any complications to it?
There was still a bump there. It wasn't set completely right. My foot actually was bent to the right inwards a little bit.
Do you take any pharmaceuticals?
Yes.
Birth control?
Mm-hmm.
So you still menstruate?
Yeah.
Any pain beforehand?
The day before, like aggressively.
Do you take any supplements?
Fish oil, vitamin B12,
Ashwagandha.
Yes.
I'm going to do a temperature assessment with the back of my fingers. Very consistent, symmetrical from left to right. I'm going to push a little bit deeper into the muscles. Here.
Not too bad.
Very strong though. Your postural muscles are very toned. Maybe a rotation here. Is this tender?
Not really.
Move your knees apart from each other. Good. Close. Your back wants to arch there when you open them. Open. Close. We've got less movement here on the left side. It looks slightly higher left here. Push your legs out to the side against my hands. Good, relax. Pain, tenderness, discomfort when I push here like this.
No.
Left side.
Nope.
Here.
Nope.
Right short, stay short. I'm going to follow your breath down like this, and then at the end of your breath, we're going to push like that. Let your shoulders relax, sinking and gentle.
That was cool.
Let's give this a little push. Go ahead and take a deep breath in. And now, let your shoulders relax, sinking in.
Oh.
We push at the top of the breath. Breathe all the way in, far as you can go. As As you breathe out, you're going to lean back. Keep breathing.
Wow.
Just like the other adjustments, we're just going to follow your breath. We're going to come up with your shoulders in that direction. Breathing gently, sinking in. Same thing, another breath.
It's so fun.
Right. Back to center. Now to the left. Bring your left ear down to your left shoulder. Back to center. Right ear to right shoulder. Center. I'm going to bring you over to the side and let your head drop into the table. We're going to push in that direction. Gentle.
Wow. Whoa.
Tender.
Yeah.
Deep breath into your belly and out. We're going to pull in that direction. This is a full spine adjustment, so I'm going to follow your breath. At the end of your breath, we pull like that.
That's a good one.
I'm going to reach around the front and hold on to your elbow. Bring your chin down to your chest. Lean forward like this. How's your dream life?
Real crazy.
Yeah. Do you have anxiety? Do you get worried about the future?
I just have anxiety in general.
Do you have any dietary restrictions?
I don't eat a lot of gluten. I can't do too much dairy either.
This is very gallbladder related. No fried foods for sure.